doing here is we're checking the straightness of the shaft. It has to be within 5 thousandths. I've zeroed it out. We rotate it. In this particular shaft, there's pretty much no movement. It's a straight shaft. If the shaft is not straight, it needs to be replaced because it will never balance out. Unbalanced turbo means the turbo that will damage itself. So this is a TV turbo. It's a TV7 series. So we're going to change the settings. We're going to use the 824 for the left plane, 664, 350 filter, 534 right plane, 835 right plane. And our switch settings for the turbine shaft are going to be OBB, heavy, X1, heavy, ABO. Power on the machine. We're going to switch the settings. So I mark it like a clock so we know where to grind. Previously, so we use a piece of wax to offset the balance. So when we turn the machine on, we're going to look for the left plane because that's where the off balance is. When it comes to the top, the highest number. And as it reaches the highest number on here, that's when this will be at the very top. That's about it. It's staying pretty solid, 9. Staying pretty solid there, so we're going to lock it down. So we're going to stop it and we're going to remove the wax. So it's about 3.3 grams off on the left, and on the right about 2.3 grams off. Alright, so what we have here is the compressor wheel to go along with the turbine shaft. And we're trying to balance that. So it's not like the turbine shaft. It doesn't stand alone on its own. So I have to use a mandrel that we have to finish by pressing into the compressor wheel. So now it's been pressed in. Everything's squared away on it. We have the switch settings, 860 for the left plane, 581 for the left plane, filter is 500, right plane is 582, 849. Left side, it's not too bad. And on the right plane, same thing, it's pretty close to 1. So this one isn't as far off as the turbine shaft. So what we're going to do is, on this left side, we're going to take a grinder and we're going to take some weight off here. It's like the opposite of a tire. We take off weight, so we can't add weight on. And then on the right side, this side, I'm going to take off weight somewhere around there. Now we find out where our results are. That's ideally where we want to be at, below the 1.0. Anything below 1.0 is pretty much balanced, but we like to take it to the next level and drop it down as close to 5, 6, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 as possible. And that's just about perfect. That's as close as you can get. 0.3, 0.4. And I stand corrected. This is a little more perfect. 0.2, 0.3. So that's very good. Like I said, anything under 1.0 is balanced, but that's that's great. It turned out great for this one. So now we're going to do the weight adjustment to the rotating assembly, the turbine shaft, to put this thing in the balance. It's about 0.4, 0.5, which is great. On the left plane, going 4.5. Pretty solid. So this as a group, it's totally balanced and it's ready to go into the cartridge of the turbocharger now.